This is a free exercise for geography or travel. You can play it yourself. It's a game about the landscapes of Ghana. A few national parks are included. You have to recognize the pictures. You can play it yourself. Look in the description of this video to find a link to the game. I'm gonna press start now. Kintampo waterfall. Nini Shuyen National Park. Lake Volta. Cape Coast. Mole National Park. That's this one. Bui National Park. Kakum National Park, in which you can take a high trail through the forest canopy. Kiabobe National Park and Bia National Park. Now you can play this game yourself. Look in the description of this video to find a link. This is Cities of the World. It's a channel about geography, travel and cityscaping. You can watch beautiful videos and you can subscribe to my channel in the down right corner. When you're interested in more geography, you can decide to play some games. There are beautiful geography games. You can join my tournament, one country, 1 week tournaments, and you can play games about all kinds of subjects, about geography, about history, about beautiful landscaping, about flags, about provinces, traveling and many more things. You can join. Look in the description of this video to find the links to these free games and tournaments, and you can of course watch some other beautiful videos on my channel. Have fun and enjoy and play the games